gozaimasu everybody, it's Mochinsuke here. Currently I'm in Shinkansen right now, which is the fastest train in Japan, going to Tochigi prefecture for hiking today. It's very cold, but I'm very excited to go there. It's not solo hiking, my friends is already waiting the station where I'm going. So let's go. Oh, it's moving. It's been a while since I took Shinkansen. Now it's 6:40 right now, and then I'm reaching Mt.Nasudake station 7:50. I'm gonna eat breakfast and I'll sleep for a while. This is my breakfast. Rice bowl and 2 bananas. Also, this is my favorite Japanese tea called Hojicha. I like drinking this one in winter. Alright, I reached Mt.Nasudake station, and then I think my friends are waiting somewhere. おはようございます。寒いですね。
寒いですね。まあでもまあ俺思ったより暖かいかも。
本当に。バス停は？
これか。
Alright, we reached the station on the mountains. Look at this view. So much snow. As you can see, it's very windy. Alright, it's 9:40. It starts to hike. Look at this snow. It's very fluffy. So today's weather is very windy and it's very cold. It's like -5 degrees today. This is my friend. It's first time to hike in winter time. It's very exciting, a little bit scary. The beginning, the trail is like this, and then also it's first time to use crampons. It's so nice. Without the crampons, you cannot walk. Okay, so we're going here, Nasudake. 30 kilometers to go. I forgot to introduce. I'm here with Ricky. Today it's not solo hiking. I'm here with my friends. The trail is like this. It's so much snow. Look at this fluffy snow. And here, bamboo grass. It's very windy. This mountain also known for very windy. I think the summit is over there. I'm not sure if we can see the view from summit. Samui. It's so cold.
寒さはそうでもなくない？
まあだんだん暖かくなってきたね。歩いてると。
正直全然寒くはない。
風がね。I was not expecting the snow like this. Can you tell? This is how much snow we have. The cable car station is over there. In summertime, you can take that one. But winter time, it's no operation. So cold. The elevation is 1,390 meters. It's already high. Alright, let's keep walking. To get to Mt.Nasudake, 2.2 kilometers to go. Now it's 10:24 a.m. Still we have to walk on like this snow.え？あ、そうだね。どっちだろう。
あっち？あっちか
なんかトレースはこっち行ってるね。
な。ね。確かにぽいけどね。
確かに人を追い抜くとどっちか分かんなくなるんだ。ちょっと一回あのマップ見てみる。
あれでも駐車場の案内してる。あ、でも人あっちから来てるよ。
本当だ。
あっちだね。
でも本当人のいないとことかさ、登山行ったらさ、マジ迷うよね。
迷うし怖いよ。遠くから怖いか
いくらこういう人工の建物があっても
ら。
迷うわ。
これ相当積雪してるよ。
あ
こんなだよ。
あ。やば。Alright, we are reaching the entrance of Mt.Nasudake. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, let's keep walking.
Just beginning of the hike.
That's true. Still not sure how long does it take to get to top. 結構詰めてるもんね。Right now we are taking short break, drinking water. It's still 10:50. 10:50.
So it takes like an hour already.
Yes. Alright, finished short break. Let's continue to walk. Alright, we are here. So still going to here. Mt.Nasudake. 800 meters to go. I hope we reach it soon. Just now, his stick was broken. And this place is so windy. Can you tell how windy here? Atmosphere has been changed around here. So many rocks behind me, and then also there's, cliff over there. It's still cold and it's very windy here. So windy here. Actually. So windy. It's so insane. But if it's very clear weather, we can see very view over there. Let's continue to walk. Well, we decided to stop hiking because it's too windy here. It's 11:40. It's very sad to go home, but no choice. We have to go back. I didn't expect too windy around here. Alright, no choice. Let's go home. But I really got good experience for hiking in winter time. But it's better to go home. still walk like this trail. Let's go. Alright, we are back to the bus stop. I really wanted to show you beautiful view from the top, but no choice. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, be sure to hit like and subscribe my channel. I see you next time. Bye.